Ebike plug! Ebike plug!
Commerce, bro.
What up, Tito? How you doing, bro? We got the whole gang outside. We are at a rather be offline ride out, bro. We're just gonna get active, bro. Let's just get right into the music. Hey! What's up, dog? Yo, you got the pink hair. Hey, watch yourself.
Your footage is awesome, man.
Really? Hey, yo, are you the Ghost Cat owner?
Yeah.
Yo, that's crazy. Yeah, bro. I love those videos. Hey, they popped off on YouTube.
Yeah, that was good.
Yeah, they got a couple 100K views. We outside. Let's go. Gotta get active in the city today. That's right, big boy. Keep it up. Take that turn. Take that turn. Take that. Oh my goodness. There he is. There he is. Oh my God. What the fuck is this? Oh my goodness. Oh my God. What the fuck? Keep it up. Oh my God. Don't drop that, boy. Oh my God. What the? It is so active. Raw. That's raw. The red lag. Is that raw? The red lag. Woo. Get that raw. Hey, boy. My bad. I thought my keys were in there. You gay, huh? It is such a beautiful day out today, bro. It's been raining the past couple days, and I haven't been able to get outside and ride, but today is the day. Yeah, that's right, Alton. Woo, that's right. Big boy, my freak, bro. Look on me. Look at mine. There we go. Here we go. He's on the sprint. Yeah, bip. Okay, bip. That's right. Don't drop that. Oh my God. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Oh my God. Front wheels are up. Oh, don't drop that. Don't drop that. Oh my God. Oh my God. Yeah, that's what's up. That's what's up. Oh, right up. Oh my God. He's crazy. Yeah, big boy. Yeah, big boy. Pump it up. Wow. Pump it up. Get that. Yeah. Woo. Little girl on an ETM RTR. Dappy. Let me see a crisscross. Let's go. Thank you so much to Red and his brother Dylan for hosting this ride out, bro. Ride out is insane already. We got so many heads. Feels like a mega ride. See some work. Yeah, let's see some work. No combo. I'm trying. Not gonna lie to you. Starline World. Yo. You got a wheelie or what?
I'm not the owner, though. I'm not the
What?
owner.
You're not the owner? Get back here!
I'm not the owner.
What? That makes no sense. You said you were the owner.
I was lying.
You're lying. You're lying. You're a liar, bro. You're a scammer. Got a wheelie or what? Ah, soon, right? Yeah. Hey, can you guys do a wheelie or what? Can you wheelie? What? Why you got those bikes? Come on. Come on. Boy, that's a nice ass bike. Let's find the best rider at this ride out. The Hector! Woo! Oh my God! Holy shit! I think this is the best rider! Yeah, show me some work, bro! Come on, let me see some. Okay. Oh my God. Okay. That boy's crazy!
Reaching up, pull up, they pull up, we pull up and dip. Can't let them see all the work when it's hit. Let them see too much of that we get. They pull up, we pull up, when we sing it split. I need a little more time in this bitch. Jimmy boy,
I love you, bro. You're fucking insane, man. The best in California right here. Up and out, Juliet. Yup. Okay, yes.
they gonna make the approach.
Let's go.
You want it, I got it at home. You want it, I got it at home. I get them ready for the low. Just pull up and take the whole up.
Yo, how much did this thing cost, like, overall, everything?
Totally like 16,000.
Like, bro, you could've got a sport bike. Yeah.
Start, bro.
You could've got a start. What up? Yo, Zuck?
Yeah.
Hey, what's up, bro? Yo, you gotta show me some work, man. Kind of the thing that sucks about the big ride outs, you can't go crazy. Hey! Dylan! Let's go, Dylan! Show me something, Dylan. I need to see something. Yeah, they're kind of doo-doo. Okay, we got the crazy kid. We got the crazy kid out here. We got the crazy kid out here. His name's Insane Man. Oh, I'm crazy man. Oh. Drop it back. Yo, bro, what's your hot take right now?
The hot take is where's Saranster?
Where is Siraj? Yo, you gonna risk my up, bro? You better take my on that thing. Okay, raw. Okay, raw. Yeah, raw. Oh, no. No, not the Rizzler. Rizzler down. Are you good? Are you all right? Are you good?
I got good.
Oh my God, I got that all on video, dude.
So what it sound like? It sound like a clean discount.
Dude, you didn't even get hurt.
Let's go.
I was so clean. You just let that go, bro. Professional right here. I got 11 seconds to work that now. Go, we're f***ing down, pal. Look at the Superman. He broke character. Burn that shit up. Burn that shit up, boy. Yeah. Woohoo. That is tired too. Gotta break it in. Yup. The best time of my life, bro. This is so lit right now. These rideouts that happen, they're usually never this big, bro. Rather be offline, hosting one of the biggest rideouts that I've had in a really long time. Guys, there's a lot of noise going on right now. I'm sorry if you guys can't. Whoa.
Hello there.
Yo, bro. Yeah. I'm good. What's up, Dizzy?
What's good, bro?
Yo, was that you?
Yeah.
You asshole.
Bye, bro.
How you good, bro? Oh, the Instacam. You dick crashed into me, bro, but we all good. We all good, baby. We chilling. We still outside. Yeah, I'm the ghost cat. The best pedal bike out right now. Go get yours at ghost cat.
Bro, if it was anybody else, I would have left, bro. But I did not that, bro. I was about to throw my bike and pick yours up.
I appreciate you. Yeah. Oh! I'm pretty sure I saw you at the Mega Ride.
Yeah, I was there too.
Oh yeah, you were there? The bike was black before, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know you. Do some work though. Let's go. Yeah, slow shit. Don't drop. Oh, okay. Control that. No. Oh my God, I love it. Look at that. Woo! Guys, I lost the ride out. I was switching my GoPro out and then boom, lost the ride out. Gotta find where they at. They just keep going down that way and I cannot catch up, bro. Yo, they're down there. Y'all dipping? Yeah. Later. Rather be offline, guys. This is gonna be the best new merch brand out right now, guys. It's gonna be better than all the other merch brands. Well, not really better. It's just gonna be different. But I'm telling you guys, this merch brand is the one that is gonna freaking pop off, bro. Guys, this whole time I've been following my friend's location and he split off from the pack. So he was going a complete opposite way. I'm gonna make it to the pop-up. I don't care. Made it to the warehouse. Yo, let me in, bro.
Walk your bike though.
Say what?
Walk your bike.
I bet. Damn, Red's got security and all that. That's crazy. I've known him for 3 years now, bro. He's up there now, bro. I'm so proud of Red, dude. Leave my bike right here. Bro, can you make sure no one checks inside of my pouch on my bike? I need me one. Let me get a long sleeve or what? So no more long sleeves?
Nah, bro. I never had long sleeves.
Oh, you didn't? Bro, I lost a pack, dude. I lost it for like half the ride out. Thank you, brother. Thank you.
Want a bag or not?
Nah, it's all good. Hey, love you, Damon. Look at that bike. Julius. What's up, bro? I've been good, man, and you? This thing is crazy. Yo, Yo, is this your bike?
No, it's my boy Bethos.
Oh, okay. I still got that Drift 8 plate on my bike, dude. I've been rocking that all the time, bro.
Which one is it again?
That bear in the background, it's like mountains.
The river?
Yeah,
in the river?
That's
Dude,
so tough.
that's an OG. Is it square?
Yeah. It's
That's
square.
OG, bro. Use any of these squares, bro. Take one.
Dead ass?
Yeah. Anyway.
I love you, Julian.
Don't tell anybody.
Alright, bet. Which one we finna take, bro? Which one we finna take? The donuts? Oh my god. Oh, this is tough. This might be it right here. It's this one. I'm taking this one. This one is beautiful. That's mine right there. This is so active. Alright, next giveaway is 15 minutes. You guys want more raffle tickets? That's right, Red! That's right, Red!
Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man?
Check out the merch though. Look at this shirt, fire. We got an offline pop-up. It's a one of a kind, bro. Nobody's ever gonna have this in the future because this is the only time you can get it right here. Oh my god, look at this long sleeve. The long sleeves are tough, bro. I need me one of those. Oh my god, this jacket. I might have to buy this jacket right now, bro. Yo, the triple X. I'm just now realizing this sitting right here, bro. Rest in peace. I remember riding this bike, bro. It's so sad, guys. Bro, you're going crazy, bro. Yo, I'm clipping the out of that. That's gonna go.
Wait, I think I seen your video.
Really?
On Instagram reel.
Did I?
Yeah.
What video?
Like, you like going up to like people.
Yeah. You're the next one, bro. You're the next one. Look at Red and Dylon, sexy asses up there. Where's my free bike, Dylan? Hi, how are you?
Hi, it's
Is
good
that
to see you
seeing
again.
you? Yeah. Yo, where's Sophie at? Is she here or no?
She working her ass off.
Oh, that's what's up.
How do you feel about this right now? How do you feel about this?
I got motion, twin. No, this feels good, bro. I appreciate everyone for coming, bro.
Appreciate your first brand, right?
Yeah, it is.
First ever brand?
First brand, first ever pop-up, first ever Rideout.
Damn,
Turned out fire.
bro. We're gonna remember this the rest of your life, bro.
Bro, it's gonna be, this is first of many. First of many.
Yeah.
You must be proud of them right now, huh?
Oh, I know, it's crazy, huh?
Like,
You've been there since the beginning.
Yeah. It's just crazy to see like where he's come from and now he's just like all the way up here. Like, it's
I know,
insane.
huh?
Like their own brand, like it's gonna go way harder than any other brand right now. Nah, bro, you gotta get in there, bro. You gotta get in there, bro. Get in there. Yeah, no. Oh, go get it. Go get it. Hey, watch my car. I swear to God. Oh, shit. I never thought e-bikes would have come to this, bro. We're just out here having fun in a warehouse right now.
Guys, check out Kalani Kai's bike, bro. Yo, I think he's got the BAC 4000 on there. I'm not gonna lie. Guys, name the most iconic bike in all of e-bikes. It's this bike right here, bro. It was Red's XXX, but it's over there burnt down to the floor. Now it's this bike right here, bro.
Genuinely the best Rideout that has ever come.
Guys, someone just won this thing. Oh my god, what the hell? Yo, is this the Hulk bike, bro? This looks like it's straight out of Marvel right now.
I have no idea if I'm gonna make it, bro. Map says it's 5 miles away. What do you guys think, guys? Let's do a poll in the comments. Yes or no, am I gonna make it?
You can make it, just like full pin the whole time.
No, I'm gonna go slow. What are you talking about? Bro, my bike's at 8 and it's 5 miles away. What do you think?
No, you'll make it, you'll make it.
You think so?
As long as you're not cooking, you're chilling.
Take it slow. All right, bet. How long it lasts? Like maybe that'll last me 3 miles. I might have to walk it, but I don't know.
Stop talking, let's go.
That's what I was saying.
Hey, thanks for being the security. All right, guys, we're taking it so slow right now. We are driving back. What do you guys think? 8%, 5 miles. Can we make it? Boys, my voice is actually dead right now. Crypto Arena's right there. I can see it from here. Munch, it's starting to get cold. We're almost there, though. Who would have known that an e-bike still works at 0%? As this last 0% is lasting so long right now, bro. And we made it, bro. I can't believe I made it. I'm at 0%.